Step into the kitchen of the 2012 Stampede Rotary Dream Home and step into a chef's dream. Located on the main floor, this warm, inviting room acts to anchor the home and connects the dining room, living room, and mudroom. Inspired by elements of Canadian settler cookhouses, traditional mixes with modern to create a functional, contemporary space. Adding customized elements, the thick shaker-style pantry cabinet profiles are custom-built using cherry wood and stained with a silver fox finish. Complementing the cool tones of the cabinets, quartz countertops are featured throughout. Modern appliances add contrast with a full set of professional series stainless steel Viking appliances, including a gas range, chimney-style hood fan, and built-in wall ovens. Designed to be a warm and charming space, the entire family can gather around the drop seating custom island, made from reclaimed wood and aged metal. For practical style, a full wall pantry and built-in desk add the small details that make this unique kitchen so stunning. In the center of the kitchen sits a true testament to old meets new, with a Kohler fired clay apron sink highlighted with a high arc faucet in rich tones of oil-rubbed bronze. Reminiscent of a farmhouse cellar, the feature wine tasting room sits at the entrance to the kitchen and features an 18-inch built-in stainless steel Thermador wine column. A custom wine rack forged from reclaimed wood and aged metal is enclosed with 10mm glass and lit from above. Be sure to come visit the Stampede grounds from July 5th to the 15th to see the dream home for yourself.